So we are on a FaceTime having a talk about life. Life, life. Life happens, life happens. If you can't watch this video that does not have like a very like flashy editing and every like 3 seconds some meme is popping up to make you like watch the video, then I think your attention span's pretty bad. So we all face hardships from time to time. You know what I mean, right? Life is not easy. We have our own struggles. Many of us have financial struggles. Many of us have family struggles. Some of us have health issues. Some of us got insecurities. And because of social media, many of us do comparisons. But what we see on like social media and stuff like that, that is not the story of the entire world. I mean, thing is, life is not like Instagram for everyone. What we see on social media, these people like traveling somewhere, they might be like better looking, they have a lot of money. That is not like average for everyone. You know what I mean? Even maybe those people who we think that they are so happy, they might not be that happy, I'm telling you. Even they have problems in their life. Even Fir'aun had problems. I mean, he had status, he had money, but he had problems too. What we see on Instagram is just outer picture of the people. But what deep down someone's struggling, many people usually don't show that. You know what I mean? Life is not easy. Have you ever seen like people with no limbs? Do you imagine like how do they feel? I mean, they're still living. Here many of us are with limbs, with eyes, nose. We have food to eat, we have eyes to see, we have limbs to walk. And then many of us start to complain about life. We should be grateful to Allah for whatever He gave us. Comparison is a thief of joy. You know what I mean? If we start to compare our life to, some Instagram influencers or something, we may get like insecurities in our own life. Even they have problems from time to time. You know what I mean? I think many people aim for like a very influencer type life, big house, supercars. I mean, it is permissible to aim for like a better house, a better car, or something like that, but we should never forget, dude, our situation is better than a lot of people. There are many people who are struggling from physical health issues, mental health issues, homeless people, people with no limbs, people who can't see, people who can't hear. Life is short. Life is really, really, really short. People who, whatever they got at the moment, and use those things to have fun, they are the people who can feel a lot happy in life. That's the thing. And the most important thing that matters is pleasing Allah. That is the most important thing. And in Jannah, we can have everything we desire. Can like everything we desire. Wow. There will be no sadness in Jannah. There will be no anxiety. There will be no bad feelings. We should be grateful that Allah gave us the chance to get Jannah. Yet many of us forget the hereafter and run behind this world that is full of problems. You know what I mean? Many of us like want some things that we don't have yet, but we should be grateful. Life's good, man. Life's good. Life's hard, chat, but we got this. Alhamdulillah. Life could have been worse and can get worse than it currently is. We gotta enjoy our life, bro. You know, with whatever we got at the moment. For free if you wanna join my Discord server. Link in the description. Peace, bro. Peace, chat.